Ezomogo. 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 I'm finished. I'm finished, Ezomogo. Hey!
But well, listen, you know I don't like people, especially mature people, coming to behave like children in my compound. What is it?
What? My only son, Jack, the one the youths call Jack. He's in the police set. He's police net.
What did he do?
He was looking for money to pay for Oluchi's school fees. The girl he wants to marry. Please. So he went stealing another person's goods.
Why did he steal somebody's goods? As big as he is. Huh?
He was looking for money to pay Oluchi's school fees. He did everything possible to raise this money. I even contributed as much as I could. And I warned him to take it easy. He never listened. He went and stole somebody's goods. Now he's in the police net. Police has detained him. And they said I must pay 100,000 naira before he'll be released on bail.
The elder does not stay at home and a she-goat delivers at the tether. Why were you there? He couldn't carry himself, he went to carry Oluchi. You supported him?
I did.
Eh? What was your value as an elder? Eh? Now, I don't have any pity to share with you, you know. I think he has to go to jail. He's of age. He committed a crime. If he goes to jail, it will enable him to learn one lesson or the other. Eh?
Ezomogo, please don't let this happen to me. You know, this boy is the only son I have, and everything I have as a man.
Okay.
Please.
Okay.
I have been able to settle with the owner of the goat. We said we are going to settle out of the court. We agreed. But the police insisted that I must pay the 100,000 naira before they release him on bail.
If I give you this loan, what will be the collateral? I heard what you went through when you made an attempt to send him abroad. You sold this and that and all that. So what will be the collateral if I give you this money this time around?
Omoga, I'll pay you back this money. I'll pay you back in no distant time.
Where is the evidence? Where are parcels of land you can give to me? I hold on to when you bring them in.
Has it come to that? You know, I sold off everything I had, you know, when I was trying to send him abroad. But it was supposed I don't have any other thing to say.
Okay, you're thinking it hasn't come to that?
No. In that case, you just go home, carry your cross, lament your situation. Amaram ni kempelempe until he back it up. Egataka. Even nature and will look ike. Even a cause it and a woman, Ikeme Peka. Never go to your house. When you're ready for collateral, you just come, I give you the money. You don't go, oh? Bye bye.
Omoga.
What will it happen now? Hey, you have not heard. You know that? Head what? Jack was looking for money to pay your school fees. He went to the bank. He was rejected. He went to the Igwe. Igwe said he did not have cover. He now ran to his father. He could not afford much. He gave him 2,000 naira. So he came to me. I told him, young man, put yourself together. Calm down. But he was so desperate. He was so afraid that Okoro Timber will pay and marry you. So in that desperation, he could not wait till I come back. Only for him to go and steal someone's goat. On his way to the market to sell the goat in order to pay your school fees. He was apprehended by the police. As I'm talking to you, Commissioner of Police is investigating the matter. This is what is happening this minute.
My own Jack?
Your own Jack.
My love.
Your own love at the same time.
God.
Your own love. Sure, sir. Buto. Yes, sir.
Close the door.
Yes, sir.
Okorotimba. You're a very generous man.
As you can see now.
Hey, that look.
No problem. I even came with cash also.
It's just that Oluchi refused.
Huh?
Do you know that she was even about to be sent away from writing her exams just because she has not paid her school fees? And everything still amounts to Jack. Yes, she insists that if it is not Jack, that she cannot live. That Jack is her life, her everything.
Madam Chiwe,
Okoro.
why are you looking for money when I have money? Look, I only want to make your daughter my second wife for occasions and the ceremony. That's all. I have money. Are you hearing me? I'm the chairman of Timber Dealers Association at Timber Shed. Yes. I have a big boss that carries me everywhere I want to go with my goods. I can sit at a place and finish 20,000 naira on unkobi and drinks without minding. Ask of me, Okoro Timber. Are you hearing me? I have everything to make a woman happy. Everything to make a woman happy. I have it. Why would your daughter choose to suffer? Me, Okoro Timber. That's why I'm Oyikodolo.
I have told her everything she needs to know just for her to change her mind. But she still insisted that if it is not Jack, that it is nobody else.
How much is the money? How much? Tell me.
You mean the school fees?
Yes, how much?
Okay, it's 57,000 naira.
57,000 naira.
I have collected everything I have, put everything together, but it's not going anywhere.
This is 100,000. Let her use it for her school fees. I keep the rest for her use. If more is needed, I'm ready. Just call me. Take now, no problem.
Hey. Chief Okoro, I don't know what to do now. I don't want to go into any problem. She said, I don't think she will like this. Please, take it back, though.
Give it to her. Eh? I will be back when I wish. With more money and food.
I'm only but
give it to her. Don't worry.
I don't want trouble.
No problem.
Don't worry.
Don't give it to her.
Take it.
No.
This one is enough now. No.
I told Jack. I told him. See, look, Jack. Never you commit any kind of crime for the sake of love. Yes, now. I told him. Now, what this means is that if we are not able to raise up to 100,000 naira today, he's going to jail.
My lord will never go to jail.
Okay.
Never.
Okay. Listen. I went to Omogo to borrow money from him. He said I had nothing. Yes, I have nothing because I have spent virtually everything I had. I tried to pay school fees for my son to go to school, and he failed. I raised money to prepare documents for him to travel abroad, to no avail. I sold all the lands I have. I sold my only car. I sold my motorcycle. I sold the cassava grinding machine I had, all in order to raise money to make my son stand. All to no avail. I could not achieve anything. What have I not done? What have I not done to make sure my son stands? Do you people want me to kill myself? You want me to kill myself?
Papa, stop weeping. I know all you have done for Jachi. Please, let's go to Omogo. He will give us the money, please.
He said I shouldn't come. I shouldn't come without collateral. And I don't have any. I don't.
Papa, let's go first. When we get there, you will see.
Mama, she must marry Okoro Timba. We need a savior in this house. I need someone that will give me money to record my album and marry my angel. Jachima cannot feel. Talk more of taking care of us, Mama.
Obunaya, it's okay. I am so confused. Your sister Oluchi does not want to use these her 2 ears to hear of that name Okoro. Talk more of Okolo getting close to her.
Mama, she must though, because that man is my ticket to better life. He just wants to use her as a decorative wife, nothing else, Mama.
Why are you so blinded by your ambition? How can you be suggesting that your sister get married to Okoro Timba because of money? Ego Kowa. The angel that you want to marry, is she not as beautiful as an angel? If I will say, that girl, she's even bigger than you. And now, you are collecting part of the money that Oluchi is supposed to be using to take care of herself. You rush to the studio to watch an album that did not even make it out of the studio. I don't blame you. If not for constant misfortune, do you think Jack will be where he is today? You can't answer me.
Biogidi, huh? I have no business with you. Huh? I have no business with you. I am Oluchi's younger brother. Huh? I am the father of the house now. Because my father is no more. My sister will never marry an Alboro. I must make sure she moves to a man's house that can take good care of her and my family. I must make sure it happens. Mama got the good.
Obuna of yesterday, a little boy of yesterday, Ogidi, used to buy ice cream, biscuit and chin-chin. He's not telling me that he's the father of the house now. Hey!
Ichie Odibo, tell you what I told you.
Yes, sir.
I am no longer a man interested in love. I married a woman, loved her. But all the while we lived, she couldn't conceive to give me a child. I felt very bad. Eventually, she died. So I can't accept a situation where a girl comes to me and talks about love. Eventually, I hand over all my property to her. Eventually, what happened before will repeat itself. No, that's why I was asking. Did he tell you all I told him? He told you.
It's your Mogo. I told her all this, but she insisted to see you one-on-one.
One-on-one?
Yes, because she said she has the collateral.
You have collateral?
So she is here.
Did you understand what collateral means when we are telling him that? Collateral means not a lipstick, not a wallet. Collateral can go to issues like a landed property, a car, a business premises. So did you understand? Which one do you have? Which one?
I want to use myself as the collateral.
Hey!
Yourself as collateral?
Hey!
How do you begin? Yourself as collateral? Yes. Does he understand what she's saying?
Please, do you know exactly what you have just said? Do you know the consequences, the outcome of what you have just said?
Yes. In a month, I will pay back the money, or you do whatever you want to do with me.
Oh! Huh? I'm going to come to la rona broke it down now. I want to la ronike. Now broke it down now. I do with you whatever I want to do with yourself. Eh?
Ology, you said that he should do with you whatever he wishes if you don't bring the money.
I will do any kind of work with my love. He sought to keep me in school, please. I use myself as a collateral. Please give me the money. Please let me save my love, please.
What else are we talking about?
Wait. Doing whatever you want with her.
This girl must be over 18. So she knows what she's talking about.
Any more, Dipo?
Come.
The coast is now clear.
We belong to each other. Ile manya no biniga fuyo fuma. Ile manya na nyaniga fuya. Biate mo bini soma labem. We love we belong to.
Hello? Chief? Yes, this is your collective bar speaking. The only man that is wise enough but uses truck for his business and the leisure. Make your orders. 11,460 pieces, eh? Consider it done. I'll do it now. Chief, the total amount will be 1,146,000, sir. I'll supply it now and bring the receipt, sir. Thank you. Ngwa, driver, where you turn? We are going back to Timber now. Let me go and do supply and take my cash. Then we will proceed straight to Madam Obosi's shed and finish our bobby and drinks. See here, driver. Do you know that I'm a wise man? Yes, sir. As I'm using this truck as my private car, nobody will know how rich I am. Even that girl that is doing chakara for me will run mad if she knows that I have up to 100 million in my account. No, but I will keep on this my bendang low way so that nobody will know who I am.
What am I doing with you? No, just tell me. You think it's all about carving your eyebrows, shaving your hair, giving it one stupid side I don't know, and you're just sitting down here moping at me? What am I doing with you? Am I supposed to eat your fine boy? Are you fooled?
NJ, please forgive me. You know my sister is the one standing between me and the money.
This wasn't what we agreed before we got into this relationship. You told me that the man who wants to marry your sister would sponsor your album. You get money from him at the time he gets married to your sister. Get me a car, give me money to take care of myself. What is going on?
That's true. But she's still...
You're very stupid. You're mad. If I get that from my bed, she's still what? Are you not a man? Can't you take care of your girlfriend? Your sister?
Okay, just give me like 1 hour, eh? I will be back. I will bring something great for you.
I should give you 1 hour? Yes. Okay, no problem. Don't worry, the next 20 seconds, another person will take over your position. I can see that hair is no longer important to you. Get out from this place. Look at who is getting something great for somebody. As tiny as you are. Get your legs off my bedsheet, Pico! Move. You want to enjoy all this, yet you cannot get money to take care of it. Stupid. Oluchi, what did you just say?
Mama, what you just heard.
Hey! Oluchi has killed me. Oluchi, you have finished me in this house. Oluchi, Buomu. Oluchi, you have killed me. What is wrong with you? I can see you're going mad, Oluchi. Eh? Hey! Oluchi, let me ask you. Where on earth
Do you expect to raise 100,000 naira from 100,000 naira in 1 month? 1, 2, 3, Gugida till 100,000 naira, Oluchi. Hey!
Mama,
Hey!
even if I fail, Ichiomogo is a man older than my father. He will understand. Me and my love will work and pay. After all, I use myself as the collateral. I will not run away.
Hey! You use yourself as collateral, Oluchi. Eh? Anyway, no problem. Okorotimba brought exactly 100,000 naira. So, if you prefer Jachima to your education, then use that 100,000 naira and go and bail him from the police station. Eh? Or better still, take it to Chifomogo. I don't want you to dig a pit for me, where I will fall in and I cannot come out, Oluchi. Don't dig any pit for me, Biko. Hey! Hey!
Mama, give that Okorotimba his money. Because if you or Obonna uses it, one of you will marry him. I will not marry him.
Marry who? Hey! Oluchi! Look at what my daughter is telling me. Hey! Oh! Hey! Hey!
Ebuka, there is plenty of wahala in this area. Honestly.
I know, and I'm not happy at all. I am not happy at all.
Ebuka, I don't think you know. I don't think you know. You see, Obonna is doing all these things because there is this girl he wants to marry. She's sparkling like a morning sun.
You don't mean it.
So, at the same time, he wants to wax his harbor. Do you know what happened? He needs money from Mazi Okoro very badly. And Mazi Okoro needs Oluchi, his sister, very badly as well.
Yeah.
In order to use her to replace his oversized wife at home. At least in order for him to enjoy his money.
Why is everybody needing everybody very badly?
Very, very badly, I'm telling you. Jack is suffering because of Oluchukwu. And Oluchukwu knows no other person than Jack. So in order for her to release a boyfriend from the police custody, she went and gave herself as a collateral to Mazi Omogo so that they can get money from him to release her boyfriend from police custody. So I am asking myself, all this web of troubles, where is it coming from? And how will it be solved?
Wonderful. So you're asking. If you ask me, who will I ask? No. If you ask me, who am I going to ask?
Ebuka, there's fire on the mountain.
Allow me to drink it, please.
There's fire on the mountain. But nevertheless, let me rush my own so that you can give me another bottle. At least one more bottle.
You cannot be serious.
Eh?
There is no way you will be serious.
Are you not my friend again? Judge, thank Oluchi for everything. She gave herself as a collateral. Yes.
What did you do? Luchi, you did what?
My love, you had to be bailed from the place. I don't want you to go to prison. Neither do I want to use Okoro's money. So I told him if we fail to pay after 1 month, he should take me. But I know him. He is an old man. Even if he takes me, it will be to work for him or till we pay up. We will work together, my love. And I can assure you, you must have raised this 100,000 naira to pay back before that 1 month.
Okay. What if we don't? Did you consider that? What if we don't?
You will not fail. We won't fail. You know how much I love you. I don't want you to go to prison. We will work together, my love. We will pull through. Do not worry, please.
Jachima, my son, let us believe. Nobody believes that you can do anything again in this life. I want you to prove to the people that you are a man, a strong man. I want you to prove to the entire people of this community that you are the son of your father, Odipo. I want you to tell them that you can make up to 100,000 naira within 1 month. You can do any legitimate work to make up this money. Listen, if it takes I, Odipo, your father, to join in making this money, I will do that. Your wife loves you so much. That is Oluchi. And you love Oluchi so much too. Don't shake your body. I am standing behind you. I am by your side. Nothing happens. We shall pay the money within 1 month. It's okay.
So this small boy failed to return. Okay? No problem. Let me see him return back to this campus empty-handed. I will tell him why I am called Angel. I will so deal with him. Stupid thing.
Mama, what did you say?
Oluchi, this your brother Obonia. Do you know he went inside the house and collected the money that Okuru brought to us? The 100,000 naira. He took it away and said I should tell you to start getting ready. In fact, start preparing, packing your things to go and marry Okoro. That he is the replacement of your father. And that whoever he says you will marry is the person you will marry. That's what he said I should tell you.
Mama, Ogbonna is seriously joking. I do not blame him. But you that accepted the money before he even took it. I don't blame you.
Am I the only person that have children in this town? Or someone know me? Eh? Am I the only widow in this land now? What is the meaning of all this? Hey, now you come. Eh? Now you're behaving like a man. I didn't even know you were going to come back. Don't mind all my threats. I didn't mean it to. I just wanted you to be a real man. Oh? Thank you very much. Eh? You should also know that anybody who wants an angel should be ready to provide the things that is being used to maintain an angel. Don't be angry, oh?
I'm Ogbonna. My late father named me after him.
It's very obvious.
I'm the replacement of my father. So Oluchi is my daughter now. And I will give her out to Okoro.
Really?
I realized my dream of recording my album and marrying you.
You see all these things you just mentioned? It can only be achieved through Okoro Millions. Getting more money from him. Look, let me tell you what to do. What you need to do is take your sister to that man. Make sure he marries her. Collect more money from him. That way we'll be able to achieve both your album, your music, and get me a new car. So that when I'm passing by the campus, everybody will know that I have a real man like you. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And you must do it before sunrise tomorrow.
Yes, I will do it. Once day breaks,
yes,
I will do it.
Thank you. I'll manage this one, don't worry. It will go a long way.
Now lie down, let's sleep.
Or say, lie down where?
Let's sleep.
Yeah, where you sleeping? Look at this one. Who is sleeping with you? So because you brought 100,000 naira, I should sleep with you. My friend, step down from my bed.
You're my wife to be now.
Just because you brought this nonsense money, this 100,000, that's why I'm already your wife. My friend, zip up. You should have known there's no way you will sleep here. This is a female hostel, understand me? And I am still a virgin. I don't want to lose my virginity now, not until you're done paying for my dowry.
Every time.
Do you know what you'll do? You will have to go and sleep with our hostel gate man.
What?
What is what here again? Don't you love me? You want to stay close to me, right? Yes. You can't sleep here because it's a female hostel, but you can as well sleep in our hostel gate man.
It's not good.
What is not good? I shut the door very well. Idiot.
Jack, now well done, no. Well done. Well done. So you people came to the farm this early. Eh? What is happening?
Ebuka, you are supposed to be my friend. Sometimes it amazes me how you abandon Oluchi and I to do this job alone. Ebuka, you're my friend. My best friend for that matter. I need you in times like this. Now tell me, how do you expect me and Oluchi to work and raise 100,000 before the end of the month?
Jack, don't misunderstand me. You have a very good point. Don't misunderstand me. You're my very good friend. You know I can't watch you suffer. But the truth is that, you see, I woke up this morning, I don't know, I started having this chronic waist pain. You know, I can't even bend down. As it is now, I can't bend down to do anything. That reminds me. Mazioko, you know Mazioko? Mazioko is actually looking for people that is going to help him dig a latrine. Yes. You see, I'm going to help you. I will make sure I help you to secure that job. And Mazingene, he is also looking for people that are going to help him dispose of waste in Spriggy Farm. You understand what I mean? I'm going to help you secure that one as well. I'm assuring you I will do that. And maybe by tomorrow, if I feel any better, then I can come and join you guys, you know? So, don't worry. See, Jack, you're my friend. I want to assure you. You see, this love between both of you will never die.
It will never die, Ebuka.
But we are saying the same thing. I just said it will never die. Don't worry. Everything will be well. Okay? Everything will be alright. Don't worry. Maybe by tomorrow, if I'm able to stretch myself very well, I can come and... Remember what I told you?
My love, our love will never die. We'll be too true. Do not worry, okay?
Money is not the problem. Because money is a servant to me. My only problem is to have Oluchi as my wife. I have finished bearing children. I only want to be using her as a decoration, going to ceremony and occasions. That's all.
I know, Chief. I know.
I don't go to church, you. I use charms. I deal with charms. I will give you the 2 million. But before I give you the 2 million, you swear with my demigod here with me. So that if you play with me, whatever I say, take it.
Chief, it has not got into this. Okay, no problem, Let me go and come back,
Okay, you want to go and come back?
Yes, to be double sure.
I will keep the 2 million for you, so that whenever you're ready, I come, I give it to you. After swearing with my demigod. But meanwhile, let me give you something for your pocket. Have this. Have this. Let me be a collective bar.
You know, I'm suggesting maybe we give them something. You know, I believe it will add something to their life, or you know.
It's all right. I've had you. I'll be right back.
To plot is to plan. And to plan is to conspire. Jack must finish paying this money. Then he can continue with his lover. I must ensure that. I must. Ichi, I'm still waiting, oh. I'm still waiting.
You did what? Why would you say no?
Because I don't want to go mad.
Because you don't want to go mad? Do you look sane? No, just take a good look at yourself. Do you look okay? Hey. So I've been dealing with a liar. Obunda, so you are a liar. You say things and you don't fulfill it.
No, it's not like that. Eh? I just wanted to be sure from my sister. Eh? Before I collect the 2 million naira. He even wanted to give me the money, dear, and cash. But...
Hey! Obunda, you are a fool. You are a big pathetic fool. Can you hear yourself talk? Someone wants to marry your sister and to give you 2 million naira and you said no. You walked away from 2 million naira. How sure are you that you want to become rich in life? How? And you know what? You are not my type. You are not my level. We don't even reason alike. Just go. We are done.
It has not gotten to that, eh? Angel.
Don't enter me, oh. Don't enter me at all.
I have dreams, so I'll be a big musician. And I need you. I just wanted to consult you first. Because that man deals with charms.
You are consulting me first as what? As an oracle or as a god? Can you hear yourself talk? Baby, what is your problem? What is it? Don't you want to fulfill your dreams? Don't you want to be a big musician? Even more than Techno or any one of them? You have to collect this money from Okoro. You have to give your sister to him. Eh? Don't like I like shouting at you. Just that sometimes you just behave like a fool. Have sense now, receive it.
I'm sorry, no? Just have patience. I'll do exactly.
I'm angry already. You can't control it. Just go. Hope you're not angry, oh.
No.
Just go and just do something. The time is going now. I don't want to be like Pisco again.
Something is telling me that your hands are no longer clean. Oh yes! Okay, what kind of statement is that? No. What kind of statement is that? You want us to start quarreling again? No. What is it? I need to reserve my comment until it's pure. Oh yes. But meanwhile, when do they start giving people jobs? You gave job to Jack and Oluchuku, clearing Mazingene's piggery farm. Oh yes, I did. I did that.
Is there anything wrong with doing that?
Nothing, no. No. Jack is my very good friend.
Really?
Yes, I have his interest at heart. The least I can do is to get him that job so that he'll be able to pay for the money he's owing. And on time too.
That is fine.
Why are you sounding as if I did something wrong?
No, you did nothing wrong. But have you heard what is happening? Latest information now. They said the pigs in the farm, all of them scattered. And Mazingen is threatening fire and brimstone as I'm talking to you on this minute.
Wait. Did you say all the pigs scattered?
I said yes, all the pigs. Look at how it happened. Hey! They said a man with a mask came into the farm. He chased all the pigs outside the farm while Jachi and Oluchi were busy working. And Mazingen is on his way to the police station now because he's pointing an accusing finger on Jack. He said this is the plan for him to rob him. Hey, that is it.
Wait. Did you say police station?
I said police station.
Police station?
Oh yes.
Hey!
Oh yeah.
Hey!
Jack, I don't understand what I have done. I don't understand what I have done. What have I done? I stopped pushing my woman. What have I done?
Now what's your
What have I done? No, you tell me. What have I done? No. What have I done? Is it that anything that misses in this village, you will say it's Jack? What have I done? We were at the farm. Okay, if you must know, we were at the farm. We were walking. I and my woman, we were just there walking. And an unknown marksman ran inside. He was the one who opened the gate and all the pigs ran out. Do you know what it took me to gather morale to chase after a thief? And I couldn't chase him. Is it me? Am I the one that let the pigs go?
Yes. You gather morale. There is no problem. We've heard all you said. But when we get to the station,
Then you explain yourself very well.
Officer, please. My love and I are innocent, please.
Innocent.
Some strange forces are after us, please.
Now move it! Come on! The worst has happened. The worst has happened.
What's happened again?
Hey!
Hey, what happened again?
It's your son, no, my friend Jack. He was working diligently. The place I found him a job with a piggery farm.
Yes.
A masked man came out from the bush and released all the pigs and they ran away. Hey! Hey!
Wait, so what happened?
Again, went and brought policemen and arrested Jack, my friend. As I'm talking to you now, Jack has been arrested. Hey! Again, now say that it was his plan. That he purposely did it so that he will use the money he will realize from selling of the pigs to go and pay Omoga for his money. That is what is happening now.
So, Jachi, my son, is in the police cell now.
As I'm talking to you.
He's locked up.
Yes.
Hey!
Yes.
What have I done? What have I done to deserve all this punishment? My son, my only son. Hey! 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 Ebuka, what do we do?
I did not come here to tell you this for you to start lamenting. Stop lamenting, oh. There's no time for lamentation. If you ask me, what we have to do now is to go and stop those policemen before they take him to the station, oh. Then when we come back, we will know how to settle with Ngene.
Let's go.
Mama, I must do it, oh.
Yeah?
I must do it on a Kede. I will assemble all Umunna and Hadari will be paid.
Ubona, I can see you're mad. Ubona, you're crazy. Wait, oh, it's my fault. I regret it. Had it been I didn't tell you that Okorotimba came here and brought some money, would you have had the opportunity of selling that money and giving it to that stupid girlfriend of yours, Angel? Now listen to me. If you know how you collected that money, you better return it back so that we give it to Okorotimba. I don't want him to come to this house and begin to make nonsense of himself here.
Mama.
And your sister refused to marry him.
Mama, I'm Obonaya. I'm Oruchi's father now. And her dowry will be paid. I must make sure she moves to Okoro's house. By choice or by force. Mama, I have spoken, no.
Obonaya, you will not kill me in this house. It is a lie. I will not die. Every morning, every night, you are giving me BP in this house because of your selfish desires. That's why you want to kill me. That's because of money that you want to collect from Okoro. That's why you want to sell your sister out. Obonaya, it will never work for you.
What is happening?
Ogidi,
I'm hearing your voice from the other junction.
You see not this boy that want to kill me in this house because of his selfish interest.
Yeah.
Because he's looking for money he will use to do his music. That's why he want to sell the sister to Okorotimba. And I'm talking to him and he's working out on me.
Yeah. Is that the problem? Is that the reason you are just shouting on top of your voice?
Is it not enough to shout?
You're even shouting for this one. Another one has happened though. Jack has been arrested and locked up again.
Which Jack?
Oh, Reggie, your behavior, your attitude is amazing me. I am overwhelmed. What kind of attitude is this? You came here and borrowed a sum of 100,000 naira. Not a small money. You didn't finish paying back. You now came to get 160,000 naira. Where is that one done? Where?
No, please. My love is innocent, please. He cannot do a thing like that. I don't know who is doing this thing to us. No, please save my love, please.
Your love is innocent. I never knew the proper definition of love until what you are talking about now. What kind of love is that?
What a foolish, negative and destructive love. Eh? Hey! Amoram nice ni ketaro na brokete. Eh? Hey! Why you've chosen to live with a criminal is what I don't understand. A criminal. You were witness to his stealing a goat. Eh? His father has done almost everything to establish him. He is not workable. He remains a failure, yet you're sticking to him, to judge.
Please, I am still here as the collateral. I will not run away now, please. I will be here till we pay to the last kobo. Please, Chobe, go take me as your daughter, please. Please save my love and I will be eternally grateful to you, please. Chachi is a good man with a good heart. I can never leave him, Nai. It is just misfortunes from all corners. Nai, please help him. Help us, please.
I never knew the proper definition of love until what you're telling me now. So this is what they call the so-called love? Do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to involve his father. He's going to be a witness. And we are going to make that a witnessing process a video process. Oh? Why am I doing it? Because of tomorrow. Because of tomorrow. Because of tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Mazodibo, weep no more. Your son, Jachima, will make sure that he did not go to prison. Don't weep again. Enough. Enough.
Ogidi, leave me alone. Ogidi, leave me. Leave me. Where is my son, Jachima? Where is he? The only child I have. If I lose the only eye I have, what will I see with?
You will not lose it.
Hey!
You will not lose it.
Hey! Hey! Mamejenga. Hey!
It's okay. Enough. Be a man at least for once. Be a man. Have you heard me? Hey, man.
Hey! 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 What am I going to do? Who will save me? Hey!
Have you seen? That man is a wonderful man. That man is a good man. Eh? You know what you will do now? You have to run along and get to the goal. Eh? You see, nobody in this village can give you another money when you've not paid for the previous one. Eh? It doesn't happen anywhere in the world. Nowhere. Eh? What am I trying to say? What you will do now is run along and get to the goal to save your love. I am going to Morgo's house right now to make sure he doesn't change his mind. Eh? You know human beings and they are... Let me go and make sure. Eh? Watch.
Very nice. Now you come. So let me tell you something. If all the elders you consulted refused, go with the only one who accepted to go with you. Do you understand it? Make sure they pay your sister's dowry. You don't want to realize your dream anymore.
I know.
If you don't do it, you will lose Angel and you will lose your dreams.
I know.
Is that what you want?
No. No.
Do you want to do some music career?
No.
Very good. I'm happy.
Enjoy yourself.
Thank you. If I forget, I want you to do something. You know what? You have to go back to the village. Go and meet those elders. Make sure you fix a date. If you don't do it, you will lose Angelo. And you will lose your dreams. So.
I want it.
Well, you come and start going. Don't bother coming back. I'm going to see my mother and I'll be back by tomorrow. Okay?
Okay.
So you will do exactly as I said, right?
Sure, baby. I'll do as you say.
Come here. Come and give me a bed. Okay, join me. Very nice.
Very sweet.
Try my own. Very nice, Abby. You see, if you're doing like this every day, we'll be in peace now.
Don't worry, I will bring more.
Where are we going to get 260,000 naira we're giving back to Omoko? Look at me. My entire system is no longer functioning because of the kind of work I've gotten myself into. Yet, what have we got? 16,000 naira. Huh? Just 16,000 naira. So how are we going to raise the balance?
Jachima, my son. Listen, I think it is time I join you people. Yes. Let me throw away the shame and join you people and make sure we raise this money. Even if it takes me to join you in digging the latrine, pushing off the barrel, throwing away the waste from the pit. I can do anything to assist to make sure we get this money. I am worried. Odibo, is worried the way Omongo, gets this money. I'm worried.
Do not worry. I cried to him like a daughter. And he happened to my voice. He understands the depth of love between the two of us. He will be patient, he will pay back. Please, stop worrying yourself.
Papa, this reoccurrence is getting out of hand. So I am going to ask you, what is it? What have I done wrong? Why is it that anything I venture into doesn't come out successful? I do this one, no. I do this one, no. There is nothing I ever do that comes out well. What is the problem, Papa?
My son, I am as confused as you are. Yes. But we have to take life easy. We cannot go before Almighty God. He knows everything.
Do not worry. Just know that I will be with you till the end. I love you. Please, stop worrying yourself. Okay?
You've heard her. That she will be with you. That she loves you. But if you ask me this question, who shall I ask?
Are you sure you are ready?
Yes, uncle. You know you are the only one that agreed to do this with me. We don't even need plenty people for the dowry. The man is on his way coming. Let's wait for him. I will say to you.
Okay, if you say so, no problem. You know, according to our tradition, you are now the father. And whatever decision you take on your sister, who is now like your daughter, stands.
Bam. Yes, no.
Okay, if you have agreed, no problem. Let us go and wait for our in-law, Okoro Timba.
No, let's go.
Let's go.
No, you're not.
Sometimes when I look at you, I just don't know where to start from. I can't thank you enough for all the things you've been doing for me. The times you stood by me. Even when everyone turned their backs at me. Even when they called me names. Despite my failures. My colossal misfortunes. Despite everything that I've been through. You and you alone have always stood by me.
True love does not end. It does not see what others see. Despite the failure, I see future. I see a future so bright. I see a man who pulls through and stand great. I see us smiling at the end, and I assure you, I will be with you till the end.
Your words give me hope. words give me joy. Promise you one thing today. I will pay up all our debts. And we will have our freedom. You believe me?
Yes.
So tell me, how is school? You go for your classes, you paid for your exams, you good?
Yes. The 40,000 you gave me, I gave it to my friend, and she added it to the one her brother sent her from abroad. She has been the one taking notes for me. So, I told her everything we've been passing through. Don't worry, my love. I will write the final exam and pull through. Okay? Do not worry. I love you.
I love you too.
Hey, Ebuka. I told you there is something. There is something, Ebuka.
What is your problem? I helped some of our village youths to catch those pigs. Remember those pigs that got lost there? Yes. Yes. And then Ngene gave us 6,000 naira. 6,000? Yes, for both of us. Too.
Okay, both of us?
No. 3 of us.
Ebuka, both of us, 3 of us. You see, this word is not straight.
Ogidi, what is it?
Ogidi, you're coming out from Mars.
Your Mogos house. Ogidi, what's your problem?
The word is not straight.
No. I want to understand you. Why are you always suspecting somebody? What is your problem? If I'm coming out from there, am I answerable to you? Listen, let me tell you. I simply went to Mazi Omogo to plead with him on behalf of my friend Jack and the girlfriend Oluchi. Yes, to extend the 1 month he gave them to pay back the money. Yes, now. And as for the money you saw me counting, the money was for me to take my own little share and buy him drink.
Oh.
What is your problem, Ogidi? Look, Ogidi, there's something I want to tell you. I want to beg you this thing in the name of God. Please, you know that Jack is my very good friend.
I know.
And anything that will hurt him, I won't tolerate it. Okay. On that note, please, I beg you in the name of God, Ogidi, don't sow a seed of discord between me and my friend. Please, I beg you.
Hey, Ebuka.
Please, don't be offended. I'm very, very sorry. Don't be offended. You are hot-tempered. Calm your nerves down.
You should know that Jack is my friend.
He's Ogidi, your friend, though.
It's okay. I want to see Mazi Omoko. I also have a chat with him as well.
Because just take it out of your mind. You want to have a chat with him?
Yes. You know that you have a single bullet. That you will not hit somebody. Just
it's
take
okay.
it out of your mind.
It's okay. No problem. No problem. No problem. No problem.
I'll see you later.
Nanyoga, to be sincere, I cannot partake in this. If Obonna and you, his uncle, have decided to collect dowry on Oluchi's head, Akamadiria, I am only but a woman that came to your place courtesy of marriage. Bikon.
You see, the woman is right. She's right. She has nothing to say here. She is not from here. She is just here because of marriage. I am Oluchi's uncle. And seated here is Obonna, the replacement of the late father. He says we should go ahead. So, pay Oluchi's dowry and go. Any day, any time you want her, you come and take her. She is your own. Okay?
Muka, before I will bring Kobo, my money, you people will swear with my semi-god here. Huh? My demigod, you swear.
Swear?
Yes. That whatever is happening here now was agreed by all of us. If anybody defaults, consequences will descend on him or her. Are you hearing me?
Ebuka is just trying to. He's his friend. All he's doing is for the sake of him. Trying to protect her. He's a woman. That's all. There's nothing there.
If not that you said it with your mouth, I was already suspecting. Honestly.
No, never. No, leave things the way you've seen them.
Okay. Okay.
Like I said, all he's doing is for his sake, to protect his interests. That's all.
All right.
Okay.
Let me be on my way.
All right.
Till tomorrow then.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you for the visit.
Thank you so much. I also thank you for the information you gave to me about the herbal leaf. Let me give it a try.
Take, according to prescription, your ailment will go. You won't be sick again. I'm gonna. Bye bye, yeah? All right. I look on neighbor, Makam, he came to Pempe. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna go. Well, look at how men can be gossips. Why don't you go and find something responsible to do? Right, cha. What is it?
This is big. You have truly acted like your father would. I'm so proud of you.
I took the oath just because of you.
Oh, please. Come on, Faith, babe. There's nothing wrong with taking an oath. Besides, he's not going to do anything to you, okay? Don't think about it. It's just an oath.
No problem. So what next now?
I think I'll put the money in the account. Maybe from the money, I'll book studio session for you for some days or weeks or thereabouts, whatever you want. Then I'll talk to my brother who's in Cotonou. He will be able to get us a cheap car, very affordable and still nice. You know the money is not that big, but it's also big. So we don't finish it up with luxurious things, okay?
Good one. But what of the house?
The house can come after the studio session. Or better still, maybe we use the money for the house for your video shoot.
There is sense in that.
I knew you will love that one. And you know I love you too, Okay, you know what? I want to give you something that I've never given you
Mama, you have been behaving somehow since I returned. What happened?
You are behaving somehow.
I saw some drinks, some bottles of drinks here. Who brought them?
Yeah, I don't know. You should call your brother one and ask him. I don't know.
Mama, was Okoro Timba here?
Yeah. I said I don't know, and you are still asking me was Okoro Timba here. Call your brother one and ask him now. Yeah? Please, join me. Let's peel this melon because I want to use it and prepare soup.
Mama.
Hey, are you alright?
Yes, it's my mother. She has been behaving strangely since yesterday night.
I tried calling my brother, but he's not picking. I tried to find out what happened. She's not willing to tell me. I'm sorry for coming late.
That's all right. Everything will be fine. We have to hurry up to the farm. It's about to rain. I hope you slept well.
Yes, I did. But I was just thinking about you.
I was thinking about you too.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine. Sir, please, I'm looking for the house of Oluchi.
Oluchi?
Yes, Oluchi Okafor.
Okafor?
Yes, the one studying at the College of Education.
Okay.
Yes. My name is Mary.
Mary?
Yes, I'm her friend, and I have a very important information to pass to her.
Very important. Wait. What do you say your name is again?
Mary.
Mary! Yes. Oh, you are the one that she talked about that been helping her in school all this while.
Yes.
That's beautiful.
Thank you, sir.
Wow. But the truth is that you have already passed their house. She's from my kindred. You have already passed her house. But you're relaxed, you don't have any problem. I will take you to her. It's okay.
Thank you. I'm so happy. Thank you. I'm very glad I saw you.
Nah, no problem. Just follow me.
Cheer. I'm hearing some footsteps. Okay, Ebuka, you can come out. Oh, the steps are no longer there. Come. Is your friend? Keep your relationship very strong, definitely. Whatever will be good for him, that's what you work as towards. Then there's something that happens. He does it for you, you do for him.
Definitely.
Definitely. I'm sure something must come out of it.
Definitely, Chair.
Something.
It's okay.
Good.
Are you serious?
I am serious, so I don't know why they moved the exam forward. But we have to leave right now because the first paper is starting by 7 a.m. Yes, and the exam is lasting for 2 weeks. I called your phones, but it wasn't going through. That's why I had to leave everything I was doing to come and inform you because I know how important it is.
You know, we don't have steady lights here. Oh, how can my love cope without me? Hi. You know what? Let me briefly go and see him where we were working. I will be right back.
We're talking about your exam, something very serious. You're talking about your love. Look, we have to leave right now. Change your clothes, let's go.
Please, just hold on. Let me see him briefly. I will be right back now. Let me tell my love. I'll be right back, okay? I'm
just
coming.
Hurry, we don't have time. Please,
okay.
Please, hurry up, please.
Thank you. Let me go.
You like it?
Of course, you
Took
know
it
already.
forward.
Let me help you.
Oh.
That's my baby. Let's go down.
Take it easy, babe. I'm not running away now.
When you give me a lot of
Wait!
My son, Jachima, wipe your tears. Oluchi must take her final exams. Brace up, and fight on.
This is 2 weeks we're talking about. For 2 weeks I am going to stay without Oluchi, and you think that is easy? You've never been in love, have you? Papa, Oluchi is the reason I fight. She's the air I breathe, my love, my life.
But you have to pay the debt. I was told that some of the pigs have been recovered. But we have already borrowed. We have to pay. If not for people, I wanted to confront Ngena myself, face to face.
Hasn't gotten to that. You will go nowhere. When you go out there, what would you tell them? That you're fighting over pigs that's assumed that your son stole. Please. I promise you one thing, Papa. I will work hard. I will work hard day and night, tooth and nail. I will see that that money is complete. And we'll go and give the money back to Umago. If it's 1 month and the money is not yet complete, we'll still go. I believe he would accept it. Oluchi tells me how much he supports our love, our relationship, so I believe he would understand.
It's okay. I hope he does.
He will.
I hope Umago will understand. It's okay. See, you just came back from the farm. Look at you, look so dirty. Go in there, clean yourself, dress like a man. It's just a little time. It does not last forever. Nanuma winter. Onaga adigide. Jachima.
Thank you, Papa.
Omekania. Like father, like son. Hey, Udokuigarega. It shall always be well.
For life without all these things.
I know.
For life without all these things.
So, how were your exams today?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay.
I would have been here before now, if not for the exam.
Okay.
And as soon as I returned, I joined my law at work.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. You see, we still have up to 2 days ahead. I don't see why all this rush. What I suggest is that you people wait until the money is complete. When it's completed, okay, the other way around, take this money, give to your father or the Igbo. At an appointed day, he comes with the money. We look into it the way elders look into things. So hold everything, even the drink. Oh?
Uncle, that's why we came here. We came to give you what we have, and to also promise you that in no time, we'll bring the balance.
We are saying the same thing. In that no time, just say hold on, improve on this. Give to your father. Let him come. You look into things, like I said, the way elders look into things.
Uncle, it's 53,600. Yeah, I know it's not up to the money we owe you, but it's because I've been working alone. She went to school, so just give me some. Just accept this. Give us some more. And now that she's back, we'll hustle. In no time,
yes.
we'll bring the balance.
Yes, Uncle.
Please, Uncle, please.
Take this money to your father. When he comes with it, we iron things out.
Uncle, you supported our love. And you are like a father to us. We will pay back till the last kobo, please.
See, the love my support does not negate the fact that, you can't reason wisely like your father. He's an elder, I am an elder. Oh? He knows better. You know what? He was a witness in all these things. Oh? Let's not put the cart before the house. The mouse before the horse. Oh? You want to upstage things.
You won't accept our drink.
That's why I gave it to you back. Hold everything at the right time. He can come with everything. He can come with everything.
My angel, for 3 weeks now, we are yet to hit the studio. The car is yet to arrive. And you don't allow me to come close to you as I usually do.
My love, it's not like I don't want to spend time with you. But you see, of recent I've been having this migraine, this headache. And it seems to get worse whenever you come around. I'm so sorry, okay? The engineer that is supposed to be taking care of your studio section had an emergency. And he went to America, but don't bother yourself. He will soon come back. But if you want me to use all the subcommers, fine for you. But if he doesn't sell, you don't have to blame me.
No, it's not what I want.
If that's what you want to just tell me, I'll book them.
No, it's not what I want.
As for your car, our car, Our car is already in Enugu, but it was seized by the customs at night, Smile. But not to worry. I have called my uncle in Abuja, and he promised to make sure that our car comes out before the week runs out. Okay?
I believe you. You know, I don't want to go to that village without the car. I want what my sister will see and believe.
So, can you at least hold me? Because I'm not being serious. Oluchi, my daughter, I am so glad that you finally wrote your final exams. Hey, my dear, oh, this wind of love, eh? That's what you people call it, eh? This wind of love, wherever it blows you to. Me, your mother, I am in support. Whether it blows you to the left, to the right, to the center, anywhere, I am in support. But
what, Mama? But what?
Anyway, don't mind, eh? Your brother Ubonna and your uncle Oka, they know what to do. They will handle everything very, very well.
Mama, what are you hiding? You better tell me now.
Hey, Olimo, I can see you're hungry. Eh? Let's go inside and eat. I prepare your favorite food, jollof rice. And then semo with insala soup. Let's go and eat, huh? Come on.
Ja, Ubunaya. I have been calling you for days now, and you're ignoring my call. Eh? You're ignoring my call, sir? Okay. I got information that she's back home. She has finished her exams. I am coming on Saturday next week to take my wife, because I've already printed cards, and the main ceremony will happen at our club hall. Inform everybody. Okora da chukwa cha. The driver.
Hand the money over to Adibo.
Ichie Omogo, a good man that does good things.
It is well with you.
It's well with me till tomorrow.
Yes.
Okay.
This is the money.
So hold the money. Huh? Let me see you in privacy. Let me see her in privacy.
Come on. Okay.
What is keeping them?
What are they doing inside?
What are they discussing this too long? Omogo, what is the meaning of this?
What is what?
Why have you kept me so long?
Kept you what so long? Eh? In line with our agreement, we agreed that if the money is not complete, I'll keep her until he runs the whole circle.
Hey!
Why are you rushing along?
We put a pen on paper, did the video, you were witness. What do you mean somebody's child? That's the agreement. No, was it not her who offered herself? She used her mouth to say, if the money is not complete, I will stay with you until the money is complete. If you know what is good for you, go and make effort to complete the money. Because if today rounds up without the completion of the money, she stays with me forever.
Jack, what is it? What is it? Why are you so restless? Eh?
It's been hours. It's been hours my father and Oluchi went to Mogo's place. they're yet to come back.
That's why you're shaking your body. Is that why you're restless? Eh? I've told you, stop working yourself out unnecessarily. Is that why? Listen, I had a heart-to-heart talk with Omogo. And he told me personally that he might forget about that money. That money, yes. He said he might. Actually, not well. Don't misunderstand me. He said he might forget about the money. But sometimes might lead to will. Or you should understand me. So that you not say. But the truth is that I had an extensive discussions with him. He confided in me. I told him, look, now that he knows he doesn't have a child or a wife, why don't he just support you guys, you and Oluchi, and make you realize your dreams? And he thought about it and told me, okay, that he might fulfill his promise. I mean, forgetting about the money. He said he might. That's it. That's what I'm telling you. Relax. Look, Chief Umogo, that man you see, is a very noble man. That man is a good man.
Have I ever told you that you're a good friend? You're a good friend. You're a good friend. Thank you. Thank you.
Anytime.
Wait a minute. Oh. Could that be the reason he asked us to go with the money and come back?
Exactly. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Yes. You see? Come. Calm down, please, okay?
I just pray.
You're my friend.
I just pray everything goes as you have just said.
Sure, it will. Listen, my good friend. There is good news on the way. There is good news on the way. You need to cheer up. Okay? Everything is under control. You know, you're my friend. Calm down, okay? As well.
Madam, Chinwe, if by Saturday I don't have my wife Oluchi, I will do what you make you know why my title is Akatampo. Okoro Timba is not a man to be tolerated. Are you hearing me? Yes. Wakumo had to ask.
Okoro Biko, call my son and Doka. They are the people you transacted business with. Did you see me that day? Okoro, I told you, I warned you. I said it, Okoro. Sit up, Kamaka.
Agame! Hey! My friend, evening, you will know if you are dead or not. Are you hearing me? Okoro Timba is the only Alossi that you can hear. I have money, but I have sense. Are you hearing me? I bought the whole market and paid. If you people fail to do Mbaba, Ibi, Afaraja, Akito, Allah. Are you hearing me? Yeah.
Gidi, I want them all. I want them all. I want Obunaya and Oka. Yeah, they went ahead and collected Oluchi's dowry simply because of the money they will gain from it. Yeah. Now, Okoro Timba is here threatening fire and brimstone. That if by Saturday we did not deliver his wife to him, that all hell will let loose.
Hell will let loose.
I'm telling you.
There is even bigger wahala.
Yeah?
You're even shouting. There is a bigger wahala. Ichiomogo.
Kenke mukwa bigger wahala kwano. Neku no Okoro biara ebe ane mechi sinta you are talking of bigger wahala. Oh gini kwano. Allow Chinwe to rest now.
You don't even understand it. Mazi Omogo locked up your daughter, Oluchukwu.
Yes, he locked her up in his house.
Hey!
Vowing that if his money is not paid completely today,
Hey!
that Oluchukwu is going to be his wife. According to the agreement, Ichi Odigbo is running from pillar to post, running like a mad dog.
Hey!
This is what is happening. Hey, and now, Okorotimba, Chinwoku, Igana Pija.
Hey!
Eh? Chinwe!
Jajima, my son, you are going nowhere. You are going nowhere. Umogo is right. Whatever you do to him today will definitely backfire to us. Listen, she presented herself as a collateral. And since you cannot pay the debt, you couldn't pay the debt, he has to take her as a collateral. All these things were recorded and were written on paper and recorded on video. So you can't do nothing.
No, Papa. For the very first time, Papa, I will disrespect you. Omogo has been doing this thing. It's enough. If I don't kill Omogo today, know that Omogo will kill me. Judge him.
What did you say? Are you crazy?
Me?
Eh?
Okorotimba, crazy.
Nobody comes into my compound to threaten me. Who are you? Did I do business with you? Eh? Okoro what? You go and share back. You are Yensi. Eat the shit from your anus. Eh? Could you please leave my compound? Otherwise I go and call police for you. I mean what I'm saying.
Call police.
They lock you up.
Huh?
Hey. Nothing belongs to you. People came and they loaned them money with the agreement that at a certain point they will give me back the money. They defaulted. So I'm seizing the collateral. The collateral is now mine from now forevermore. Hey.
I want you to take your money now.
Do you have money more than I have?
You don't have money now.
I don't have money.
I told you that money is a slave to you.
You were there.
I will give you this trouble that you want.
You were there when they ran to me for rescue. And I gave them the loan. She became my collateral. Are you foolish by coming just like that?
They did not tell me.
They didn't tell you?
Yes.
You are
you don't want to take your money that I'm giving to you now.
I will give you the
now
trouble.
Now you're going to timber.
Go and sell timber.
Hey! I'll do it. I will do it too.
She is there, she's not
you have
coming
started the
out.
party cannot end.
She will not follow you forever.
She's not.
Hey!
Go.
Hey! Igwe a na-eke ịka nakwa mkpụlanụ ana m ahụta ndị bụ n'ụkọ oche ka ya menu na nọnde ka isi na-eji ma abịa kpọtụwakwa onye na-awa mbem. The woman inside there is mine forever. To shoot me. See me shoot me. I'm open to you shoot. If you have the courage to shoot, shoot me. What are you talking about? Go ahead. I'm at your mercy. If you have the courage. I tell you, if you dare shoot me, the consequences are very good. Your generation upon generation will know no peace. People will suffer leprosy. All sorts of diseases they will suffer. So go ahead. Eh? As in the word at all for blues. No, shoot. Point the gun at me and fire. Fire. Eh? Remove your mind from there. This one is mine now. Going nowhere. They came to me when they were in their need of money. I loaned them money. Gave them a condition. At a certain point, if I don't see your money, I take you forever. She agreed. So, what fight are you fighting now? Uh-huh.
I need you to understand that the woman in your house, the woman in your custody is my life.
Your life?
I need you to understand that part.
How can a woman in my house be your life?
Please.
Huh?
Please. I will get you your money. I'm still here. I'm not running away. I will get you your money.
Don't go there. You can't pay that money. The money was loaned a long time ago, small, but has appreciated now. You can't pay the money. It's beyond you. Or wishing. You're sensible. So if you need any woman out there, I can follow you to go and take care of you. I give you money. You can see. This one may even be carrying my business. So remove your mind there. Whoever you choose, however beautiful, even if as beautiful as Bianca Ono, I will find the money to take care of you. You have a become a husband. You have a yes.
What did you say?
What I said. You have what I said. Deeply. You know, don't deceive yourself. Is it? I'm in good frame of mind.
I'll tell you one thing, Nanyo.
Stop.
I'll get you your money without
You know, whatever. You can't find the money. It's too big for you. Eh? You've not taken care of your feeding very well, your clothing. So you can't look for that money. It's beyond you. I'll loan further money to you. You get somebody to marry. You go and have your own peace of mind. You go, oh, even I was only see, we don't use eyes to eat. It's when the pocket is heavy that we can afford to coast and eat. You understand? So just go in peace. When you're ready for me to come and help you financially, I will come over and do that. So even if I'm not main way, you can make a pecker. You can pay and burn a bite. You go. I'm whispering to you that that girl may be pregnant for you. You go home. Look how I go.
If that is the case, let us go and see Mazo Dubo and give him the money.
Okay. I initially never supported this, but Omogo took advantage of the situation. He has disappointed me, honestly. Well, nevertheless, Okoro here has 260,000 naira.
Yes.
Oh, yes. Let us proceed to Mazo Dikbo so that we can go to Omogo in order to free Oluchuku. Afterwards, we'll go to her center to see her mother Chinwe.
Good.
Eh?
I love that girl. She shines like sunshine.
Love her, man.
Eh? I love her. I only want to use her as a decorative wife. Shake it up.
Hello, please come and save me. Come and save me, please. Open this door. Open this door, please.
What have I done? What have I done? God. God, help me. Help me.
I don't know what nonsense you people are talking about. What you're saying is arrant nonsense. It's not possible. There is no way on earth I am going to sit, watch someone else will go and pay, and then get married to the love of my life. That is not possible. That is not going to happen.
Ha! So we prefer Omoga to have her instead. telling you. Eh? Look, we are in a dilemma here. We are trying to find a way to solve this problem. And you are saying all these things. Okoro Timber here says he will give you 1 million naira extra. And also teach you how to start your own timber business. There are so many young and beautiful girls out there that you can always approach and get what? Come back and live with her than this thing you're doing with Oluchi. Jachimma. Jachimma. Jachimma, how many times have I called you? Use your brain. Use your brain and use your tongue and count your teeth.
I have been using my brain. It doesn't matter how many times you call me. I just stated the obvious. It will not happen. There is no way on this earth it is going to happen. Oh, your Okoro team, I need you to be hearing this. It will not happen. What are you people saying, Papa? I have said this 1,000 times. There is no way on this earth I am going to be alive. No one will take Oluchi away from me. I don't know what are you're hearing me. It will not happen.
The mouth says cut off the head. Cut off the head. But when the head is cut off, the mouth follows.
Both of them off.
Straight. My son. There comes a time when a man begins to accept reality.
Tell him.
Okoro Timber here, I don't even know who he is, but I am seeing him as a good man, a man that has good heart.
Pure heart.
Accept his offer.
Pure heart.
Accept his offer and forge ahead. Start a new life with someone else. Are you going to continue suffering, trying to pay a mighty bill to Omogo, who I also see that he has eye on Oluchi too?
Are you the one saying this?
Yes.
But did you hear what I said earlier? I said that will not be possible. Not when I'm alive.
Ha. Okay.
Accept what they're telling you. Come with me. Nabibi Okoro Timber. Come with me. I say come with me. Why do you choose to suffer? Take money and enjoy
Leave him,
the
let's
peace
go.
of life.
Leave him, let's go.
Look at this one. Look at this one. So if they start calling people that has money, you are going to come out. You. No, you people should go ahead and do what you want to do. Let anything happen to Oluchi, and that's when you will know why I'm called Jack.
The fire you ignited is burning everywhere. Oh yes, so you sneaked in to confirm if all of us are dead.
Please. How is my mother?
Your mother?
Is it true that Okoro is in this village? How is my mother?
Ubonne, your mother is in health center.
Hey.
She suffered heart attack. That's where I'm coming from. Okoro is in this village, if you want to know.
How about my sister? Where is she?
Your mother is in health center.
Hey.
She suffered heart attack. But we thank God, she's stable now. That's where I'm coming from. Okoro is in this village. He is running around to see if he can free Oluchi from the captivity of Mazo Mogo. But meanwhile, Ubonne, where is the money you took from Maze Okoro?
How you stop asking me all this? I need to see my mother. I need to see my mother.
I like your stand. A real man stands firm. No matter the circumstances, do not submit. Let me tell you, Ichi Omogo is an old man. See, have you even thought about this? If you ask me, I think maybe he's even testing you,
to know if you truly love that girl. Have you thought about it like that way? Because I am always with him. From our discussions, he told me he might even forfeit the money. Yes, I know what I'm telling you. Eh? Have you thought about it that way?
Ebuka, are you sure of what you're saying? Are you really sure of what you're saying? Because the man I met earlier today did not sound like he was testing me. He sounded like he wanted Oluchi for real.
Jack, the way you talk at times, I begin to wonder. Okay, no problem. In that case, let Okorotimba pay and have Oluchi your wife. Yes!
That will be over my dead body.
Fine. Look, listen, I need you to understand me. Okay? Understand the angle I'm coming from. Moreover, anybody who wants to test you or try you can say or do anything to make it look convincing. Have you thought about it that way? That's my point. Jack, we have been friends. I'm your best friend. And I am telling you, you need to stand your ground. Stand your ground. Listen, I am giving you 100% guarantee that by this time tomorrow, Oluchi is going to be back to you. Yes! I know what I'm saying. Because I know the extent I've discussed with Ichomog. If I'm not sure, will I be here shouting? Will I be here? Stop asking me if I'm sure. I can't tell you what I'm not sure of.
Ifunanya na susa mgbe ụfọdụ n'elu ilu ifunanya bụ ezigbo ife ma n'ilo bata ọ na-agbawa obi ofu m chọrọ na-azọ ya azọ biko rapụrụ n'ụmụ nke m dịzi iche asị m n'ifunanya na-asụ ụsọ mgbe ụfọdụ n'elu ilu ifunanya bụ ezigbo ife ma n'ilo bata ọ na-agbawa obi ofu m chọrọ na-azọ ya azọ unu rapụrụ n'ụmụ nke m dịzi iche.
Now let me ask this question. Ask it. Now that Omogo has refused to open his door for us, what do we do?
It's obvious that that man is looking for trouble. He's a troublemaker. Since he don't want to take his money, I will give him that trouble double. Amokoro, Timber.
Since Omogo saw us unlock the entrance to his compound, that means he's not ready to receive the money and release the girl.
Yes. That is what it is.
Now, my question is, what do we do? Because it is getting late.
We have to go back to Jachi. I am very sure that if Jachi takes that money to him, he will receive it and release the girl. His annoyance might be the earlier confrontation by Okorotimba.
Let's go to my son, Jachi. He must accept the inevitable.
Yes.
And if he refuses, I will now show him that I am Odiko, his father.
Ebuka.
So you are not trying to cook up another lie to serve me? Go ahead. No. Go ahead and lie to me.
Is this proceed from a goat or from a fowl? Ebuka. What are you up to this time around, Ebuka? No, Ogidi. Let me ask you one simple question. Why are you following me about? What have I done to you in this village? Why are you trailing me? Look, Ogidi, let me tell you something.
I'm hearing you.
You see that thing you want to know? You will never know it. If you like, die in the process. You will never know it. I promise you that. If you like, stick your nose inside the mud. You will never see me.
Never. I can never leave Jachi. I love Jachi. I can never be with another man. Please, allow me to go, please.
Follow you. If I show you the parcels of land I have, they're from a community. From there, if you want to give, me to give you some parcels, I can give you. Now, if I sell some, I can make you be a millionaire. If you want even to be going abroad every week for abroad shopping, I can give you the money. Then, on the other hand, if you want me to so establish Jachi that it becomes a millionaire in whatever trade, I still can afford it. But the point I'm making is that I don't want to live lonely and die lonely. Come and be my wife.
I cannot. I cannot. It's better I drink Gary with palm kernel. It's better I eat anything I see with my love. I will never leave him. He has suffered so much for me. He gave me all he had. He even went into this stealing just to see me through. He made sure I went to school. I will never leave him. He gave me all he had. Please. I can't be with another man, please.
Amaram na nsinike taru na broketa na ngwame. Ezoku.
Ichomogo, please, I'm begging you with God's name. Please, allow me to go, please.
Hey.
Please.
So I'm going to leave you alone and die alone.
Please open the door and let me go, please. Please, I'm begging you, please.
He is not in the house. His phone is switched off.
Yeah?
Yes.
Switched off?
I have been calling since we came in. Phone doesn't go. Switched off.
He obviously ran away. Are you hearing me? But I know what to do.
You know what to do? What do you intend to do?
Me. Akatamono kobo. Ekwemparite na ekwembutu. What you call that? Me. Nothing stops the event. When I say nothing, nothing. Akatambo. If not you, Mbuibi, Chinyakito, Ala, Ahalaja, Manama Kagi. I'm laughing. I'll be back.
What is this? Hi!
What kind of thing is this?
Hey! Ah! Jaji has shot me a bullet. Jaji has fired a gun at my leg. What did I do? What have I done? Jaji, are you this heartless? Hey, whoa! What did I do? Look at my leg. Ooh. Ooh. I am dying. I'm wonderful. I am finished.
My love, let us run away from this land. The troubles are too much.
Run away to where? Run away to where? What are you talking about? Listen, I am not a coward. I will not run away from my own land. What is wrong with you? Listen. I'll take you to my father's house. There you'll be safe. Okay?
They will arrest us. I am sure they will. They have money and everything. But we don't have anything. Remember, we don't have anything.
Love, do not speak like that. How can you say we have nothing? We have love. That's all we need to pull through. Listen. I will take you to my father's house.
There you'll be safe. Nothing will happen to you.
Please, don't be stubborn. Listen to me. What about Omogo? We don't know the fate of Omogo that you shot. Let's free from this land. Please,
Listen,
I'm afraid.
I know you're afraid, but you have to listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me. Look at me. Look at me. You trust me? You trust me? Trust me. We will pull through, okay? I'll take you to my father's house. There you'll be safe. No harm will come to you. Trust me? All right. Come with me.
I'm afraid.
Stop, don't be afraid. Come with me.
Uncle, I meet with you again. Good morning, sir.
Morning. Mary.
Yes, sir.
Mary, there is fire on the mountain. Yes! Big fire on the mountain.
Fire where? How? What has been happening? I've been calling my friend's number since yesterday and
She was captured by the man who borrowed money to her boyfriend. And since yesterday, there has been a war going on between the man and the one who paid her bride price without her knowledge. Honestly, so the boyfriend said it will not be on his life such a thing happened. So he shot the one that borrowed money to him. As I'm talking to you, Mary, police is investigating the matter.
Okay, where are they now? Where?
The truth is that nobody knows what will happen next.
Oh,
You're even asking where are they. I don't even know.
What do we do? What are we going to do now?
Well, what we will do is we'll go to the house.
Okay, let's go. There's no time.
I swear, I don't know where they are. I don't know.
Listen, Mr. Man. The charge leveled against them is too much. And you'll be detained until we get them.
Eh?
Now move it.
Hey,
take him away! Move!
My only son. Oh, my son.
Move!
My only son.
Okay, move fast.
I have no
Move it!
son. Hey, take it.
Okay, move fast.
Better to move. Take it.
Move.
Hey.
Only you, woman.
Just look at me. A very strong woman. Now going to hospital to be taking medications. Spending the money I will use in feeding and giving it to the doctor. Eh? All because of you and your sister. But I warned you. I also warned your sister. But two of you never listened to me.
At all.
Now that there is crisis everywhere, eh? You will not kill me now. It's better I die. Let me die and go.
I don't do it. Hey, don't go over this again, Mama. What has happened has happened. Don't say it again, please. You will not die. Eh, Ndo?
Mama, please forgive me. Forgive me. I'm sorry. Just trust me on this one. Hmm? I now realize the enormity of what I have done. I'll find a way to settle Ogolo.
It will be very, very difficult. Because police is already on it. All the offer, yes. Police is already on it. All the offer Okoro Timber made to Jack, we are rejected. Instead of things getting better, it's even getting worse.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
And now you are sorry. You are sorry.
Daddy, I was going to your house, but now
if I don't take the wife that I paid her dowry on or before Saturday, Ibi, Afalaja, Akiyito, Allah, that one is my own fight. But this fight is not for me now. It's between you people and the Obungwangwa. Because your son took an oath. So, this is not my fight. It's between you people
and Obungwang. I'm going to drop it in your house. Obungwang will be there waiting for you till you return.
It has not reached.
That's Okoro. You are not in helper. You are not in helper. Hey! Agamai! Agamai!
Ogiri, what is it?
Ebuka.
What is chasing after you?
Ebuka.
Why are you panting like this?
It has gone from bad to worst. Okoro Timba. He came with Otumakpa. And he's threatening that if he did not have Oluchi by Saturday, he's going to use Otumakpa. He's going to use Obunigwe to kill everybody. Hey, as you see me, Ogidi. This is my head. I'm running to where I'm going to secure it. I'm running to where I'm going to secure it. Are you see here? Before you hear that Ogidi is gone. Can you see there?
What are you talking about? I don't know what you're talking about. Explain it to me.
What I'm saying is that I no longer want the car, renting of the house, or recording the music. Okoro Timba is threatening to wipe my family and make me mad.
Eh? How?
Omogo seized my sister. My mother is in the hospital. Please give me back the money. Let me take back to Okoro and free my family.
I don't know what you're talking about. The guy you're even referring to is already at 90 mile. He's with the customs. How do I return the money back to you? What do you want me to do?
Give me the car document. Let me go to them myself.
Like I said, the document is already with my uncle. He promised to help me bring out the car from the customs. That's why I gave it to him.
Yeah, I'm not joking with you. Your friend told me that you bought no car. You are planning on sending your real boyfriend abroad.
I don't have any other boyfriend though. That is not you. What are you talking about?
I've told Okoro and he said I should cut your hair.
Ah?
Lie down.
Eh?
Lie down.
I will lie down. Remove the knife now.
I said lie down.
Come in. Come in.
You think I'm joking with you?
This woman. Ah!
You think I'm joking with you? If you don't provide that money by tomorrow, you will go mad. If you like, run to anywhere in the whole world, you will go mad.
No, I don't want to go mad. I don't want to go mad. Please, I'm sorry. Just give me back the hair. I'll look for you and give you the money. Please now.
I came to you with love. But your intention was to defraud me.
I am just coming from the police station. They said that Mazo Umogo left a message that Jachi and Oluchi must be produced before Mazo Odibo can be released.
Then let us go to Igwe. It is time Igwe and his council will look into this matter. Because if Okoro triggers Ogbunigwe, okay, all of us are going to die.
No. That's not a good idea. If you ask me, I would say, let us simply look for Jack and Oluchi expressly. We don't have to go to anywhere or consult anybody. If you ask me, I know why I'm saying it, oh.
Ebuka. No, Ebuka. Who invited you in this issue? If everybody is afraid to say it to your face, I, Ogidi, will say it to your face. You are working for Mazomogo.
Hi!
Oh, yes. You are working for him. I am suspecting you.
Ogidi,
yes.
You are not serious.
I'm not serious.
You cannot be serious. Ebuka, working for Mazomogo.
Oh, yes.
Now let me ask you a very vital question. Have you forgotten that the Jack in question is my very good friend? Now, you want me to work with Ezomogo against my best friend Jack? You see your reasoning? You see the way, you see how little your thinking is.
Ebuka, how many times have I seen you walking out of Mazomogo's house, counting money? Ebuka, you know something that we don't know. Oh yes, you know what we don't know. But I am promising you, Ebuka, very soon, your stomach is going to swell up. And you will begin to confess.
Yeah, it's okay.
Shut up your mouth. Shut up. Shut your mouth. You don't know anything.
Move on, shut up.
Officers, please. Have mercy on me. Have mercy on me. You know I'm a titled man. Look at my red cap and my bangles. These bad boys in the cell, the beating was too much. They're going to kill me before my time, please. Have mercy on me, please.
There is no problem, sir. You told us at the station that they're hiding somewhere in your house.
Yes.
Well, just when you produce them to us, you'll be released. We don't have any problem with you.
I will. I will.
Go ahead.
Because my sister is dying. Troubles are surrounding her left and right. My sister will die if you say no to us. Please, you are our last hope.
I regret ever agreeing to collect dowry from Okoro Timber. I never knew he was so diabolical. As we talk now, the head of a dangerous oracle is in Chinwe's house.
Yes.
Nobody can enter there.
Hi, God.
Listen now. Please.
Naibiko. Please.
Jore. Two of you get up.
Huh?
Two of you get up. Get seated. Get seated. See, after this bullet hits me,
No.
It's not like that.
No, it's not.
The question I started to ask myself after this gunshot was, supposing I had been hit on the forehead or chest or any sensitive part of the body, would I be alive talking now? I wouldn't be alive. Because this love thing is very dangerous. But some see it as a good thing. No. What is good there? Full of troubles. Hey! Oh! I have decided today, I have sworn that I will answer all affairs concerning Oluchukwu. Yes. I even directed the DPO to release Odipo. Let everybody go his or her own way. Be in peace. Let me be in peace. Yes. But what I insist on is that you people must bring me Jachi and Oluchukwu. I must see them.
Nah, that one is a small thing.
I must see them.
We will bring them. Wherever they are, we will bring them here.
They will come.
Biko.
They will come.
They will come.
Maybe come on. Come on.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi. Officer, please.
Did you see anybody?
Oh, I don't see anyone there.
You did not see anybody? But you said they're there, so where are they?
Officer, I am shocked. I am shocked that they are not there.
They're supposed to be inside the second room there where I park my goods. That's where they're supposed to be.
They're supposed to be there.
Yes.
Well, you heard him.
I'm surprised they're not there.
You are going back to the cell.
That means I am dead. I will die before we get there. I am an old man.
Yes, sir.
Please, Bros.
Okay, sir.
Help me beg him now, please.
Okay, sir.
I am dead.
Over.
Why are you people quiet?
I am actually not interested in marrying Oluchi again.
Eh?
Yes.
You see?
My friend, Okorocha,
yeah,
have gotten me a beautiful Ogovin from Nsuka who loves me. Yes, I'll marry that one. I've been using her for events and occasions. Are you hearing me?
I'm hearing you.
The only thing I need is my 2 million I gave to Bunna.
2 million.
And 30,000 naira I paid for Oluchi's town. The rest money I spent in chasing her. 30,000, 100 million, drinks and other things, bags of rice. I'll forget that one. But that bulk money, the 2 million with the 30,000, for that one, never.
Okoro, are you telling us that you gave Obunaya 2 million naira cash?
I gave him 2 million now. He said he wanted to buy a car, marry, and watch his music. So I gave him 2 million. But before giving him, he took an oath with Obungwangwa. That's why I brought him here. Are you hearing me? If in 2 hours' time he didn't return my money. Agumei! Agumei! Bam, bam, bam. Odo, he called me and said that he's on his way coming. So I'm waiting. He can give me the money anyway. Odo, he called me that he's on his way coming. I'm waiting. But meanwhile, let me down. I've told you to.
Yay! Chinwe must hear this. Hey, she must hear it. Mpitiekwe. Mpitiekwe. Okay, I brought some Mpitiekwe. Where do we start searching for Jack and Oluchi? Where? Well, let us settle with Omog. After which, we'll not come back to God. Eh? Hey! Say, come down. I hear everything we talk for phone. This bag and the money and everything we there inside. Now my own. They go.
You take my bag.
I say, make they go. Thief! You won't die! Thief! You won't die! Okukum! Okukum! If they fail to bring attack! Start your work immediately! First of all, Oluchi and the man who said I will not attack! Yes, I have good news. Say it, say it, say it. No, let's go. This way, yes. We should follow you. Yes, follow me. Okay. Yeah. Good news. Hey. Okolo mbanku meje ukweke mbanku meje ali ozo mbanku meje afuna aye ekwe mbanku meje okoto okolo mbanku meje obu ngwangwa mbanku meje ukweke mbanku meje mbanku meje mbanku meje mbanku meje ha
All that happened
Exactly. It happened. We just used that experiment
to find out if your son, Jachike, has matured. Because there's no way he could prove it except showing wisdom. You know. So to an extent, I was able to find some kind of wisdom. Even the time you were selling land to gather money to process traveling documents for him. We saw the difficult things you were passing through. I went to the man and begged him, please, this family is suffering too much. Could you please give me all that money? Let me know how to begin to dish them out. At a point, we even thought we thought it was squandering the money. But eventually, we saw otherwise. So at that point, I now organized with Ebuka here to do what you all saw that happened. Ebuka is here. Anyway, yeah.
What he said is true. Everything he said. Yes. Remember, I was the one who pushed you into stealing the goat.
Are you saying that we should go and steal the goat?
It's you, not us. You. You're the person who has a problem here. I don't have any problem. Now, is that why you're squatting all over, fidgeting like a woman?
Come on, huh? Come on, Ebuka. You know I've not done this before. I've never stolen before.
Jack, be a man. Be a man for once. Have I told you this before? Be a man. Look, let me tell you. If you don't man up, you know that man called Okorotimba? That man is ready to pay for your girlfriend's dowry and take her home today. What's wrong with you? Am I Okorotimba? Why are you holding me?
You know I hate to hear you say another man will take Oluchi away from me.
I'm sorry. Just do this. Now listen. Calm down. Comport yourself. You told me before that you saved up 40,000 naira for that business. Good. You also told me that your father gave you 2,000 naira, right? Now, what this invariably means is that you still have to get 17,000 naira to make up that money. Now, Jack, I am your friend. I will not deceive you. What you need to do now, what you need to do now is go and grab that goat, go and sell it, complete that money, and have your woman back. Go. Why are you fidgeting? I'm telling you to be a man and you're not even behaving yourself. Go now. Don't worry, I'll watch for you. I'm behind you. Go now.
We actually planted the policemen around. Yes. And I was the masked man who released those pigs that got missing then. See, it's not what you think. Everything I did, I did it for you. I did it all in the bid to find out if Oluchi here loves you the way you love her. That was it. I knew you were even ready to die for her. That was it. See, no money was given to anybody. Not even the policemen or Ngene. No money was given to any of them. Even the money we gave to the policemen, they later returned it. This trials went on until it led into gunshots and all that.
That point of misunderstanding, yes.
Yes. So Chief here asked that we should end it. And the money Ogidi usually saw me counting. We are tokens that Chief Omog used to give me to give to the DPO for his drinks.
For drinks?
Ichiomogo. What is going on here?
What you've had.
Are you saying that the 1.6 million naira I give to the agencies is with you?
You were appointed. It's in my house. Without I go and bring it.
Ichiomogo. Ichiomogo. You are really a great man.
That's what I truly am.
God will continue to keep you. God will continue to bless you. Hey!
I tell you,
1.6 million.
One task shall never end. What about Laura? Laura? Come on, leave it out. Let me go and get the money. Hey. Seeing is believing. You know? Yeah.
1.6 million. Intact.
Hey!
This is wonderful. This is really lost and found.
Hey!
Lost and found.
Wait, let us see money first. Sure.
Ebuka.
Ebuka. I'm going to keep him to pepper.
Hey!
Hey!
You want to open an account?
Hey!
Want to get back conference, you open an account.
Hey! Hey, go over there. 1.6 million.
Why we rejoice?
Why we rejoice? The bigger war. How do we, or what do we do with Maziokoro?
It's not here. Even the oracle is nowhere to be found. Where are they now?
Maybe the oracle is already out there looking for us to cause a havoc.
My sister. Are you back?
I saw Dibasa was coming back. He said, he told me everything that happened. He said that he doesn't even mind using that money to pay Okoro. Bikono, let's look for Okoro now. Let's start looking for him. Bikono.
That's what we are doing here. He's not here.
Let's go and look for him now. Hey.
I want you to know that no amount can measure the love that I have for you. I'll do anything for you.
Hey.
Let's go and look for Okoro now.
Obonna.
Obonna,
Inside the house?
Yes. What are you doing inside?
I paid him.
Huh? You paid who?
What?
Okoro.
Okoro Timber.
I recovered the money from the one I wanted to marry, whose intention was to dupe me. I gave it to him and he left. Oluchi, Jack, you people are now free to love, cherish, and marry. I'm sorry for allowing money stand on the way of love.
Obonna, you are the one saying this. When I was saying it, you called me a fool. So I should walk out. Obonna!
You paid me.
I told you this. And the Sam is useless.
Hello? Mary. Jesus, are you serious? Jesus. Mary said I made all my papers. My sister!
Okay.
gemeriri. Ewo love mo, you belong to me, oh. Chukwa malugo nijage wisi yo. Okaramobi, I belong to you, oh. Osirimike no binadi ime menkuja. Oh love mo, you belong to me, oh. Osirimike no bi amam no gemeriri. Ewo love mo, you belong to me, oh. Chukwa malugo nijage wisi yo. Okaramobi, I belong to you, oh. Osirimike no binadi ime menkuja. Oh love mo, you belong to me, oh. Ilanya no bi moni gafuya. Ile manya nanya ni gafuya. Biatie mo bi so malabem. Ewo love mo, we belong to each other. Ile manya no bi ni gafuya fuma. Ile manya nanya ni gafuya. Biatie mo bi ni so malabem. Ewo love mo, we belong to each other. Obi mo